Hi everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials, your trusted place for easy-to-follow writing guides that actually help you get things done. In today's video, I'm walking you through a full job application letter for a carpenter position. Whether you're applying for residential, commercial, or general construction jobs, this letter is going to show you exactly what to say and how to say it. But we're not just reading it, we're going to break it down together, sentence by sentence, so you understand the purpose behind every line. Let's get started. Your contact information. At the very top of the letter, you want to include your personal contact information. This section should be left-aligned, professional, and complete. Let's look at what Joseph wrote. Joseph T. Ramirez, 2871 Chestnut Street, Jacksonville, Florida, 32207, 904-472-9814. joseph.ramirez@email.com. Now, why is this important? Because it tells the employer exactly who you are and how to reach you. Make sure to include your full name, your street address, the city and zip code, your phone number, and a professional email address. No funny nicknames, just something clean and clear. This sets the tone for the whole letter. The date. Right below your contact info, we include the date, June 30th, 2025. Always use the full date, month, day, and year. This tells the employer when the letter was written and helps keep things organized if you're applying alongside other candidates. Employer's contact information. Next, we write the recipient's information, which is the company or hiring manager's details. Hiring manager, Southern Home Builders, Incorporated, 1439 Atlantic Boulevard, Jacksonville, Florida, 32225. You can use hiring manager if you don't have the person's name. That's totally acceptable. Then list the company's full name and their complete address. This shows respect and also proves you've tailored this letter specifically to them, not a generic copy and paste job. Subject line. Subject. Application for carpenter position. Simple, clean, and direct. This subject line clearly states what position you're applying for. It makes it easier for hiring managers to quickly identify your purpose, especially if they're hiring for multiple roles. Always include a subject line in a formal job application letter. Salutation. Dear hiring manager, this is your greeting. If you know the name of the person you're writing to, like Mr. Daniels or Ms. Simmons, use it. But if you don't, Dear hiring manager is perfectly polite and professional. Now that we've set up the structure, let's dive into the main body of the letter, starting with the first paragraph. First paragraph. Introduction and purpose. I am writing to express my interest in the carpenter position at Southern Home Builders Incorporated. With over 8 years of hands-on experience in residential and commercial carpentry, I am confident in my ability to contribute to your team with strong craftsmanship, attention to detail, and reliability. Let's unpack this. The first sentence clearly states the purpose of the letter. I am writing to express my interest. This is a strong way to begin. It shows the employer you know what you want and that you're focused. Then the second sentence gives a short summary of Joseph's experience. He tells us he has over 8 years of hands-on carpentry experience, which is great. He also highlights 3 personal strengths: craftsmanship, attention to detail, and reliability. These are excellent traits for a carpenter, and they instantly make the reader think, this guy sounds solid. So when writing your own intro, start with what job you're applying for. Then summarize why you're a great fit in just 1 or 2 sentences. Second paragraph. Detailed experience and skills. In my most recent role at Riverside Construction Services, I worked on a wide range of projects, including framing, cabinetry, drywall installation, and custom woodwork. I am proficient in using various tools and machinery, and I prioritize safety, quality, and efficiency in every task I undertake. I've consistently received positive feedback for my punctuality, teamwork, and the high standards of my finished work. Now this paragraph gets into the real details. The first sentence mentions Joseph's most recent job and describes the kind of work he did. framing, cabinetry, drywall installation, and custom woodwork. This variety shows that he's versatile and experienced in many areas of carpentry. In the second sentence, he talks about his comfort with tools and machinery. But he doesn't stop there. He also adds that he prioritizes safety, quality, and efficiency, which are absolutely essential on any job site. That shows responsibility. And finally, in the third sentence, Joseph shares something personal and powerful. He regularly gets positive feedback on his punctuality, teamwork, and high standards. These soft skills matter just as much as the technical ones. When writing your own letter, include 2 to 3 sentences that highlight both your hard skills and soft skills. Be specific and show your value through real examples. Third paragraph. Why this company? What draws me to Southern Home Builders, Inc. is your reputation for excellence and commitment to customer satisfaction. I believe my strong work ethic and passion for building structures that last will align with your company's mission and standards. This paragraph is about connecting yourself to the company. Joseph starts by complimenting the company's reputation. This shows that he's done his research, and it flatters the employer in a respectful way. Then he ties it back to himself. He says that his work ethic and passion are a match for the company's mission. This is so important because companies don't just hire skill, they hire people whose values fit their team. So, in your letter, take a moment to explain why you want to work there. It's not just about what you can do, it's also about why you care. Fourth paragraph, invitation for interview. I would appreciate the opportunity to discuss how my background and skills could benefit your upcoming projects. I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached via phone or email. Thank you for considering my application. This is a very professional and respectful closing paragraph. The first sentence invites the employer to discuss his qualifications further, nicely opening the door for an interview. The second sentence makes it easy for them to reach out by saying he's available anytime and giving his contact info. And the last sentence shows gratitude. Always thank the reader for their time. It's just good manners. So, when writing your own final paragraph, remember to invite them to reach out. Mention that you're available. Say thank you. Sign off and signature. Sincerely, Joseph T. Ramirez. We wrap things up with a clean sign-off. Sincerely is always safe and professional. Below that, you type your full name. If you're printing the letter, you can also add your signature above your typed name. But if it's being emailed or uploaded online, typing your name is fine. And there you have it. That's the complete Carpenter Job Application Letter, explained step by step. As you can see, it's not just about writing fancy words. It's about being clear, confident, and respectful. You start by introducing yourself, then show your experience, explain why you want to work for them, and finish by inviting them to meet. Simple, right? If this helped you, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more practical letter writing guides. We've got sample letters for all kinds of jobs, from receptionists to taxi drivers to customer service reps. So check those out if you're exploring other roles too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.